this message. 2 terms.
In 2012, you have the chance to elect a president, but who should you vote for? How about Ian Ballnaves and Tommy Walkinshaw? They care about the economy and want to get it back on track. Unlike our competitor, we would never be caught dead saying such things as, Alright, stay with me on this one, but what if we were to, say, gather up all the cats in one area and just make them, disappear and get rid of them? He would also never even think about taking a bribe.
I want you to veto the bill.
He cares about foreign policy.
This is terrorism. This is America. Fuck yeah! Yeah! So come election day, I hope you make the right choice and vote for me. Because a vote for me means that I will win. Thank you, and have a nice night.
Style. Gangnam Style. Op, 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 oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op, 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 oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Op, 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 oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy.
I just want to see if you can hit it.
No, I lost concentration. 60. Terrorism! America!
Hey, you kind of hit the ball.
Hello there.
Am I saying that?
Wait, what am I saying?
I don't even know what we're saying.
Okay.
I said,
Just go with it.
I'll say that I will win. Thank you, and have a nice night.
America.
So come election. Jade, you're smiling.
You're like,
Just close your eyes when you hit play.